Hey everybody, it's Matt, and I am coming to you from Ohio now. I'm back home, and if you saw my last video, you heard about my trip home. I gotta apologize. I have not done a video for probably about a week now, and I have got to get back on my track. Originally, these videos were not intended to be anything. They were intended just to be a way for me to practice video editing and video creation, and at the same time, while I was stranded in Davao in the southern Philippines because of the COVID-19 pandemic and the resulting shutdown in transportation, domestic transportation in the Philippines, I was stuck there. So this was what I did to keep myself sane. Well, I like to refer to it as the Filipino Bump. It was a surprise to me. Let me tell you a little bit more about this. Again, as I said, I started creating these videos back in March when I was stranded there in Davao. I started loading them up to a YouTube channel which I had created back in 2009. And when I first created it, it was only so I could post a really simple video that I had just shot at arm's length one day back in Pennsylvania when it had started to snow, and I was so excited about the snow. No editing, anything of that sort. I stuck it up there, maybe 10 people looked at it. I never did anything more with this channel for probably 5 or 6 years. Now and again, I'd stick another real simple video clip up there like that. Then a few years ago, I got to know a guy by the name of Brad Simon. Brad is also a tour director. He comes from the same background that I do. And Brad was much more serious about creating videos, and he encouraged me to do the same. He's got several really good YouTube channels, and I'll put links to his channels here in the comments under this video on YouTube. He's got one that, all about flying drones and shooting video from drones. And he's got another one all about travel called Let's Go Road Tripping. And it's very creative, and he's very skilled at editing and so forth. So I'm learning from him. But anyway, he encouraged me to do more videos. I shot a few a year ago while I was down in Mexico, but again, they were raw, straight out of the camera, not much to look at. It wasn't until I got to the Philippines that I started creating something more. And I just thought that I would create these videos, gain some skills, and at the same time help my friends and family understand where I was, what was happening, that I was okay, and then maybe to share with them a little bit about the Filipino culture and history and geography and all, which I really love. I never dreamed that it would have the reaction that it did. I mean, yeah, at the end of the videos I said, please click subscribe if you enjoy these videos. I never thought I'd get, more than 5 or 6 people. But then suddenly the comments started coming in for each video, and the compliments, and I noticed that the subscriber numbers started to grow. Now, understand, there are people out there on YouTube who celebrate when they break 100 subscribers. They think that's a great thing. I saw a video from a lady the other day, a young lady that does, I think, fashion stuff, and she was so excited that she had broken 500. Well, believe it or not, within the first several days of posting these videos from the Philippines, I broke the 500. I hardly even noticed it. When I noticed it was when I hit about 1,500 at the end of my first week. And then it just really exploded. And I have to say that I've been kind of walking on sunshine for the last week or two, because I broke the 6,500 mark. 6,500 people from all around the world have subscribed to my video channel. I mean, it has gone viral, particularly one video, 5 things that the Philippines is doing better than the U.S. during the COVID-19 pandemic, just went viral. And people have been commenting and subscribing from England, Germany, Norway, Shanghai, China, Singapore, from cruise ships out at sea. I mean, it is just crazy how many people have somehow found my channel and started subscribing to it. Now, I was going to kill this as soon as I got home here to the U.S. I figured that would be enough, and then I could tell people personally how I was doing. But in reality, I'm going to keep it going. It looks like there is enough interest out there, so I will be working now on trying to come up with unique topics and all. I'm going to certainly talk more about the Philippines. I'm certainly going to talk more about where I live here in Ohio and some of the cool things out here, and hopefully create some things that everybody enjoys. I hope you all keep giving your feedback. I like hearing your comments. Couple things I'd like to hear your specific opinions on. I was thinking of creating a Facebook group, a private group, so everybody who is here on the channel watching my videos can go there and comment also there. There's a little bit more of a robust text there. You can also share pictures and other things of that sort. And then I would also post links to all my videos there. What would you think of that? Do you think that would be helpful? Would you enjoy that? And then second of all, what do you think of the beard? I really think I'm getting kind of shabby looking here, but I got somebody who's made me promise to keep growing it. The razor really wants to take this thing off, but what do you think? Should it stay for another week or two? I look forward to hearing from you. God bless you all. Please stay safe and healthy during this pandemic time. Keep looking out for your neighbors, and I will be praying for you, and I appreciate your prayers. Bye-bye. And definitely don't forget to check out Brad's 2 YouTube channels.